Alright, so just a little video review of this right here. Really easy to set up. As you see, I got it in my window, which works perfectly. Very easy to plug in, snap in all the pieces. Now, you have a remote right here. I have it in cool right now, but you have the ability to change it easily with a remote to dry, just the fan if you want just the fan. But I normally rock it for cool, and you can set this temperature as low as 61, which is really nice. Again, super easy to do with a remote. Also, if you don't have the remote, really easy to do with the touch right here, because this is all touch. So actually very crazy to think that this is that cooling, but it works. I promise you, nice and cool, especially right now during the hot summer. Electricity is cheaper than the gas for me. So yeah, definitely gonna set it up, keep it rocking all throughout the day, easy to use. And again, plugs into the normal outlet. You can keep the distance so you don't have to worry about anything. Gets that distance around, so no issues at all. But yeah, definitely gonna recommend it. Keeps it nice and cool, and honestly, you won't be disappointed. It works great. I'm gonna start using this in my garage actually, even though I don't got a window, but just kind of stick the hose out. So yeah, definitely recommend it.